Hi, today I'll show you how to use the AI features on the Scan Reader Pen 4 Pro and how they can make learning and daily tasks much easier. Before we start, make sure the device is connected to Wi-Fi because the AI features require an internet connection. Let's go to Settings, find Wi-Fi, turn it on, and connect to your network. Once it's connected, you'll see the Wi-Fi icon appear at the top. Now let's go into the AI section. Here you can find most of the AI features. First, let's try AI Scan and Solve. Tap the settings icon at the bottom left and choose the language of the question you want to scan. Then simply use the pen tip to scan the problem. After scanning, it will create an image of the question. Tap Confirm and AI will start solving it. In just a few seconds, you'll get the solving steps and the final answer. This is especially helpful for students who want to understand the process instead of only getting the answer. Next is AI Homework Checker. Take a photo of your homework and your answers, then tap Confirm. AI will check your work, find possible mistakes, and compare your answer with the correct solution. It's a simple way for students to review their work and improve their learning efficiency. Now let's check AI Dictionary. First, select the language you want to scan and translate. After scanning, AI will show the full sentence meaning and individual word explanations. You can tap any word to see detailed definitions and example sentences, and you can also listen to the pronunciation. If you want to review the word later, just tap the star icon to save it to your favorites. Next is AI Lens. Simply take a photo of an object you want to identify. AI will analyze the image and provide possible matches, with the most likely results shown first. Tap into the results and you can see more information about that object. This can be useful when learning about new things or exploring the world around you. Now let's try AI Chat. You can choose the recognition language from the top right corner. You can type your questions using the keyboard or simply press and hold the record button to talk with AI directly. It's like having an AI assistant with you anytime you need help. Finally, let's look at AI Reading Assistant. This feature is designed to make reading easier, especially for people with reading difficulties. After scanning text, it can help break content into paragraphs, sentences, or individual words and read them aloud. It also uses a specially designed reading font to help users stay focused while reading. In the settings, you can customize different reading preferences to match your needs, such as reading speed, pauses, and other personalized options. You can also tap on individual words to see more meanings and explanations. On the side menu, you can access features like Content Index and editing tools. With these AI features, the Scan Reader Pen 4 Pro can help students learn more efficiently, make reading easier, and provide quick assistance whenever you need it.